Surfer. We're here tonight at the Brandon Center in New Smyrna Beach, and with Kathy Weston, who's a judicial candidate for Circuit Judge Group 20.
Correct.
And for people who may not understand the difference between a county judge and a circuit judge, a circuit goes over crosses county lines. Tell us the 4 counties that are part of the circuit.
Okay, the 7th Circuit covers Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, and St. Johns counties, and people that live in all of those counties are eligible to vote. But the judge, after the election, all of the judges will be assigned to a particular seat, and most likely that seat would end up being in Daytona or DeLand.
Now, you're going to be in the primary on August 26th, and there are 3 candidates, and unless one of you gets 50% plus 1, the top 2 would go off to a run, would continue to a runoff in November, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And I realized there's a thing called Canon 7 that says that you have to be nice to one another in basic language, and you can't disparage your opponent, and you can't really talk about the political side of things. But what separates you from the other 2 candidates? So there's Stephen D. LaRoche and Adam Moore in terms of maybe experience or insight into the law. What would you say is your strength without the other 2, just in your own regards?
Okay, and if it's okay with you, can I wrap that into kind of an opening statement?
Oh, sure, please, go ahead.
Okay. Well, I'm the only candidate in the race that's previously served as a police officer. I'm
Which
from
department?
Daytona PD.
Wow.
You didn't know that?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
That's a good factoid.
I'm from Volusia County. I was born in Sanford, but I've been here since I was about 4 years old. I started at Daytona PD. I worked as a records clerk, a dispatcher, and a part-time police officer. And I started there when I was 18, so it was during what I call my formative years. And I think a lot of that really made me who I am today. I'm a Stetson University graduate. I have a degree in accounting, and then I'm a Notre Dame Law graduate with honors. I worked for a big law firm in Chicago litigating tax cases for 5 years after I got out of law school. And I moved back home to Volusia County 10 years ago. I'm now practicing with the Cobb Cole Law Firm. They've been there for 8 years. I'm a partner, except for temporarily while I'm doing this campaign. I've had to step back and just dial it back a little bit because I'm not able to put the 50 or 60 hours a week in any longer while I'm campaigning. But I'm board certified in business litigation. I'm a civil attorney. I'm the only one who's board certified in my race, and that's, I'm very proud of it because fewer than 6% of the attorneys in the whole state of Florida have a board certification. I'm also the only one in the race that has an AV preeminent rating from Martindale-Hubbell, which is an independent peer review organization. I mentioned that I'm board certified in business litigation, but over the past few years, I have expanded that into doing all sorts of family law issues. So not just dissolutions of marriage and custody things, but I've also been doing some guardianship cases, some probate and mental health cases, and some dependency cases, which has taken me into an entirely different world than I operated in before. And one of the reasons that I'm running is because, as you know, we're having a lot of turnover with judges retiring both this year and next year. And I want to make sure that we're filling those spots with people who, like myself, are hardworking, smart, ethical, and community focused. And so among the other things that sets me apart from my opponents, my community service is equal to both of my opponents put together. I serve on the Budget Advisory Board for the City of Ormond Beach. I'm currently the president of the Tiger Bay Club of Volusia County. I'm on the Florida Bar Foundation Board of Directors. I just came off the Ormond Chamber Board so that I could run this campaign. And I'm on the, I just finished a tour on the Seabreeze High School School Advisory Committee, and now I'm going to be on the Spruce Creek High School Advisory Committee.
Now, if you become a judge, you have to say goodbye to all of that.
Not all of it. There are definitely some limitations, and that was one reason why I came off the chamber board, because it was at the end of a term and it made sense, and I couldn't continue that one. But some of the limitations that I'll face are on my Florida Bar Foundation. I can still serve, but I can't solicit contributions from people.
That's more legal anyway, but I mean, some of these charitable community organizations, if you're a circuit judge, I would think that there could be the potential of someone coming before you or something, right?
Yeah, and I will have to take a close look at everything, but some of the things I can keep doing, or I'm involved with my children's schools. I have 4 children, by the way.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, I mean, you're also a mom and you know, a cop, and you've done pretty much everything. How tough is it with your schedule? I mean, I'm not sure people can even fathom the enormity of the district. All the Palatka in Putnam County, up to St. Augustine and St. Johns County. Bunnell and Flagler County.
It's been a tremendous learning experience for me. I'm a first-time candidate, unlike the others in my race, so I'm learning new things about all of this every day. I'm learning new things about the circuit and the people that live here, the cities, and all of that every day. But